Hey everyone, this is Stephen with Our Hometown, and we have another tutorial for you. Today we'll be talking about the e-edition PDF viewer and what it looks like to correct any mistakes that may have been uploaded in that. So what we did is we started over here on our website again. You come over here to PDFs, click on that, and it's going to take you to the homepage of the PDFs. Here is the most recent one that I published, which is called January 2020 PDF Tutorial Test. I'm going to click on Edit. What we'll do from here is check out the preview. So I am going to right click, open link in new tab, come on over here, and here it is. So we see the very first page right over here. We have the thumbnails, which we can turn off or on. I'm going to leave them on. So page one, we see the cover page, title, date, everything that's important. Keep on going down to page two. Page two is called page two, and that's great. Page three, it all lines up, makes sense. Page four, just double checking everything. Page five is page five. And now we get to page six. Up here, this should be the sixth page, and you see that it is page number 10. Whoops, we don't want that getting uploaded. So what we'll go ahead and do, just to make sure we edit this, and we can do this for a few different applications, but the first one is going to be when a page is out of order. So we'll come back up here to our WordPress site, click over here in the preview page and in the editing PDF page. And if you go down to the organize your pages drop down, these are all drop down menus and you can click and drag them for your own preference. And so I've just collapsed them. You can come over here to organize your pages and you see drag and drop pages and put them in the correct order. First page on the top left is your starting page. So we start on page one. Let's leave that one there. Page two, page three, page four, 5, 10. So we want to move page 10 all the way back here where it goes. And we want, right after 5, we want page 6 right up front. So now from the top we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's find page 9. And then page 10. We're just clicking and dragging it over. Then page 11. And we'll just drag 14 to the end. Seems like the quickest way to do it. So page 1, page 2, page 3, page 4, page 5, 6, 7, just double checking. 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14. And then we're going to go up here, click on Update, and we'll double check again. Page 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We'll come back up here. Let's hit refresh. And page 6 is now lined up with page 6. Let's do it from the top real quick just to confirm. And page 1 is the cover page. Page 2 is page 2, and that's great. And then we'll just page forward. Page 3 lines up with 3, 4, 5, 6 with 6, 7 with 7, 8 and 8, 9 lines up with page 9, page 10, page 11, page 12, page 13 lines up, and page 14 is page 14. And so what if we upload this document and we realize that something is misspelled or there's an error that we needed to correct something? What we would do is go back to our editor and make sure we get a brand new PDF for page 14 that pretend teacher is misspelled here. This is spelled correct, but if they spelled teacher incorrect, then what we would do is get them to edit it, make sure it is spelled correct, and then we would come right back over here to our demo site, go down here, and we will delete page 14 because that has a hypothetical misspelling. Now that it's deleted, we'll go down here to upload your PDF files. We can either choose files or click upload there, or we can drag and drop. So what I'm going to do is go over here to the new page 14 that includes a correct spelling, and I'm going to click and drag the document over, and I will drag and drop. Give it a moment while it uploads, and it is now uploaded. So we'll come over here and make sure again that they're all in order, starting with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. The new page 14 has been uploaded, so we'll go up here, click Update, just to make sure that our preview page has been updated. So we'll click over here and refresh the page again. We'll check out page 14, and it is now, just like it was before, but it is now uploaded with the new one. Page 14 coincides with page 14, and we have everything correctly done. And that's how the PDF e-reader editing works on this page. So I hope that was helpful. If you have any other questions, again, always feel free to email us at ops@our-hometown.com with any questions, and feel free to reach out to us. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.